they giving it to Kiev tonight, huh? This has been going on since about 2 a.m. I didn't look to see if the internet blockers are back on again. But here comes the air raid sirens. Which means an attack is imminent. This probably means some drones just crossed over that area by Chernobyl, because that's how they pick them up. And then they let the rest of the area, country know that drones are coming in and missiles and bombs are coming in. Because they have to come through that area. It's the only place that Russia can fire their stuff on Ukraine, because otherwise they'd have to go to Belarus, and Belarus won't allow them to use their airspace. So that's how Ukraine is able to identify that attacks are coming, because they'll pick up whatever's coming in that space before it hits Ukraine airspace. I learned a lot today. It's the longest air raid siren I've heard since I've been here. I just saw someone running down the street. Not sure if they're running. It's like 4:30 in the morning, so they could have been running on their normal schedule. A lot of people here run around. I'm assuming in a couple minutes we'll hear the drones coming in, and then the air defense is going off. It's real here, people. Get off the couch. I wouldn't say enjoy the view, but enjoy reality.